Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating your graphics driver now. This fixes the majority of rendering bugs. Once the driver installs, restart the system so changes apply. Next, launch the game in windowed or borderless mode and switch to default graphics presets to isolate the problem. Close overlays and heavy background apps to free memory and GPU headroom. This prevents resource conflicts. You want a clean baseline, drivers current, game defaulted, extras closed, so subsequent steps clearly show what changed and why. Now you verify the game's files using the launcher or client. Corrupted assets often cause visual glitches, so repair or re-download is needed. Once done, delete the shader cache and the game's config ini so the engine regenerates fresh data. This resolves stuttering and texture pop-in. If the problem began after a driver update, try rolling back to the previous stable driver or test an official beta version. This reveals whether the driver is the culprit and explains the how and why. To finish, make targeted changes. Lower shadow quality, disable motion blur, and set an FPS cap to stabilize rendering. These fixes usually restore clarity without drastic loss. Then run a focused 5 to 10 minute playtest while watching GPU temperature and frame pacing to confirm the issue is gone. If visuals remain faulty, use a display driver uninstaller. In safe mode, reinstall the driver cleanly and repeat the baseline test. This one troubleshooting tip often resolves persistent, stubborn graphics faults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.